Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you through step by step on how to use Google Map. If you are to use Google Map, you come to Google Chrome here and you click on it. It opens for you. My name is Oboe Lawrence. If you're using Google Map, you come to your Gmail account here. You click. After clicking on it and you move where you come to these Google apps here. You click and you will get the logo for Google Map. And the Google Map icon is here. Then you click on it, it will open. It will open for you. Google Map is a very important application on Google. It helps you to locate locations, and it also helps you to know the distance from one place to another. And most of the things that has been loaded, you can see them. Like if you want to go to a hotel, you can see here is the hotel. You get all the information which has been put there. So now in Google Map, you cannot get lost because it can show you direction of where you are going. That's the importance of Google Map. They also have used this only to demonstrate to people who does not know how to use Google Map. I think it is now known that the Google Map is important. So remember to like my video.